Buttons in Power BI are a kind of visuals and are used to represent or to perform any kind of action, right? Now, to insert any kind of button, we just go to Insert tab. We have here buttons, right? If you click on it, you will see we have multiple kind of buttons, right? Here you see Navigator. So here you can insert many kinds of buttons with different functionality. You can insert blank button. You can insert apply all slicers, clear all slicers, navigator. We have all other kind of buttons as well. So to insert any button, just click on that particular button type. So I am just using blank one. Just click on it, right? You will see a blank button over here, right, with a simple black border and white background. Just click on it to select it, and you will see formatting options here. So here just click on shape. You can just change the shape here from default, on, hover, on, press, disabled. These are the functionalities or the states of this visual or the button, right? If you see a shape, we can change its shape, right? Let's say this heart shape, so it will be changed to a heart shape button, correct? You can resize it. I am just choosing by default. If you want to change to the default states or functionality, just click on this reset to default. My button will be changed to this rectangular one. You can use rounded corners to make the corners rounded this way, right? Now again going here, you have seen shapes here. Now rotation, you can change, you can rotate it, right? All sides. This button will be rotated, right? You can change the shape, right? Shape wise rotation you can change, and if you have any text input, you can rotate that particular text also, correct? If you go to style here, we have different kinds of style here, right? For initially, just let me give some text over here, right? To just enable this text button and toggle button, and type your text here. Let's say button, correct? You can change its font formatting from bold, right? You can increase its size, correct? You can change its color. Let's say this white color I'm choosing, and you can change the now if I just change the fill color here, right? If you turn it on, and if you just change this fill color, let's say this color, then the color will be filled into this button, right? You can increase or decrease the transparency this way, right? You can use this fill also here. You can also use image in this button. Now if I go here, you can just use this alignment to align the text of this. You can horizontally, you can also vertically align this button text, right? You can change the padding. Padding means the area between the text and the border of this or the boundary of this button, right? The icons or fills, you can change the border also. If you see, we have border color as this gray color, right? Light colored gray color. You can also change the border color. Let's say the black color, you can increase the width, right? So this black color will be the border color. Now it's time for adding any action here. So you need to turn it on here. You will see we have many action types. You, by default, it is selected to back, right? We don't have any particular action here for back, right? A bookmark, destination, web URL, you can just use this bookmark. But before that, you just need to create a bookmark here. So we will be covering this bookmark in the next tutorials. Now we have one as page navigation, right? If you click on it, you will be seeing the destination option is enabled here. Here you see none and page 2. So this page navigation option is used to navigate to different pages. So here you should be having more than one page, correct? Then only you will be able to navigate. Here just choose the page whichever you want to navigate to. Let's say I have multiple pages, correct? Now just in the actions here, choose for what page you want to navigate to. Let's say I want to navigate to page 2, so I'll be selecting that, correct? Now if I just press control and click the left mouse button, I'll be jumping to my page number 2, correct? This way. So here again I'll be selecting this. If you see, we have no tooltip here, right? Here you will see tooltips. Tooltip is a control plus click to follow the link. Here just type for the tooltip, click to navigate to page 2, right? If I hover over this button, then it will show you a tooltip, click to navigate to page 2, right? And you can also use any conditional formatting over here using this fx. Now if I go to general tab, here we have properties. You can increase or decrease its height. Let's say if I decrease it to 55, the button's height is decreased. If you just increase or decrease its width, let's say I just changed to 150, the width is decreased. Now if you see for position, horizontally it is leaving 68 pixel from left, and vertically it is leaving 30 pixels. So let's say if I change it to 20, then only it will shift to left and leaving 20 pixel from the left. If I change it to 10, then vertically it will leave 10 pixel from the top. Now if you see here title, you can turn it on and you can give any title here and do the font formatting that we have already learned, right? If you go to effects, here you can add any effect, background to this, background color to this button, right? You can add visual border here, you can also add shadows, right? So here a shadow is added, you can change its color, right? You can change the offset from outside to inside also, right? You can change the position, let's say center. Your button will be ready. So we have multiple buttons, and here we saw how we can navigate from page, from a from one page to a different page using this action option.